Are you tired of real-world responsibilities? Nah, not really. I'm kinda happy with how I'm going right.
Yes.
Who said that? Are you tired of dealing with your super annoying chat on Twitch? Not particularly. I really like my chat.
Yes.
Do you want to just poof away after telling your chat that you're going to get some milk? Well, this tutorial is here to do just that. Let's go. How's it going, guys? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. My name is DeSynkro. Today, guys, I'm going to teach you all a very simple but comedic smoke poof effect that you could easily do on your stream. I'll also be providing the files on my Discord for those that want to try doing this effect themselves. And if this video helps you in any way, shape, or form, consider giving it a like and a sub, and share it with your streamer friends so they can learn something new too. And let me know down in the comments if the effect worked out for you guys as well. So let's suppose you want to make yourself disappear before your audience's very eyes. This is a simple way of doing it. Keep in mind that for this to work, you need at least OBS version 27, as that was the version that introduced us to source transitions, which is the feature we're going to be using for this effect. First, what you need to do is you need a photo or even a video recording of your room without you in it. So turn on your OBS, hit record, and hop out of the frame for a couple of seconds. Once you're done, hit stop recording, find out where your recording got saved to, name it, and now let's add it as a media source on OBS. Let's name it clean frame and then hit OK. A new window is going to pop up. Head over to local file and hit browse, look for your recording, and make sure you hit loop, as this is going to stop the image from disappearing when the runtime is over. Now we need to add the smoke effect as a transition on the source. On your OBS, right-click your clean frame, look for show transition, and select stinger. A new window will pop up, and on video file, click on browse and find the smoke effect. Then go down to the transition point and change it to 500 milliseconds. You can also turn on audio monitoring if you want to be able to hear the sound of the transition yourself. Once you're done, hit OK. And now when you turn on your clean frame source, it's automatically going to play the smoke effect. If you want the smoke effect to show up when you hide the source as well, that's completely possible. All you have to do is follow the previous steps, but instead of doing it on show transition, you actually do it on hide transition instead. And the best part is that you can basically use this any way you want. You can use it with groups and so many other creative ways. You could even add an image or a drawing of a hot gamer girl, group it up with a clean frame, and add the transition to the group instead. So when you turn the group on, you'll disappear, and what's left behind is the clean plate with the image that you're using.
Why are we still here?
But yeah, it's really that simple. And the amount of things that you can do with it are pretty crazy. You could even add it as a scene transition, so then when you switch scenes, it plays the animation as well. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's how simple it is to make this little smoke transition. Really excited to hear from you guys if it worked and see some of the crazy stuff that you've done with this. So make sure you leave a comment below telling us some of the exciting stuff that you've done with the effect. But thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this video helped you or a friend of yours in any way, shape, or form. If you guys want to see some more crazy effects like this,
Kagabushi no Jutsu!
this.
Hello!
How you doing, Mario?
Yeah!
Thanks, buddy. And this. Come check us out on Twitch. I stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays starting at 4 p.m. Australia West Standard Time, GMT +8. I'd love to see you there. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you all have an amazing day and an amazing stream, and I will catch you all later.